I'm back, and today I wanted to finally show you the process I went through to get my invitations. And so I'll show you the website first, but I also have the box just got here today, so I will be opening it up just to show you how it comes in the box. And usually you can pick it up in store, but since I live far away from the store, I just asked them to ship it to me, and they were amazing and went ahead and did that. So, invitations through Louie's Tuck Shop. And this was absolutely amazing to me because they just had a lot of good plans. Like if you got 6 or more tuxes, then your grooms was free. And if you got 6 or more tuxes, you also got free invitations. So that's what we did. And if you look here at the invitations they offer, they are just totally gorgeous. I love they have so many options. It's taking a minute to load. Still taking a minute to load. My internet is slow. My internet is slow. Takes a while to load. Takes a while to load. Okay, yeah. So yeah, you have a lot of options. The ones I bought were actually pretty expensive. Like I would have never ever bought them unless they were free, because I don't have that kind of money to just lay them down. But they have absolutely gorgeous options. It took me forever to choose, and I don't even think I looked at all of them because there's almost 800. So I ended up buying the Enchanted Blooms invitation, and so the only thing that came out of pocket was the extra envelopes, so I would have second chances to kind of fill them out, and I also paid extra for the gold lettering. But yeah, let's open them and see how they look. Well packaged, all just looks really beautiful, always well kept. I'm not disappointed with the packaging. They just make sure everything is very protected. Is there something in there, or is that just very thick? Okay, here we go. So here are the invitations. They do look a little bit warped, but since these are like a tri-fold, you know, like you're gonna fold it over, it doesn't matter. And so, alright. My favorite part is the back of the tri-fold. Like in general, like these, what do you call it, embossing? Like it's all raised up, and beautiful. But let me see if I can get it in good lighting. Like you can see the way it just shimmers. It has like a rainbow effect almost. It's really just gorgeous. Oh, there it is. Yeah. It's like holographic right there. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm assuming are the envelopes. Since it's all professional and fancy, there are what is called an inner envelope and an outer envelope. So the outer envelope is what you put your address on, and the inner envelope is like, what would you call it? A less formal name. You know, like on the outer envelope, you would do like their surname, and on the inner envelope, you know, it would be like grandma and grandpa or something. But even the envelopes, like, just have an absolute shimmer to them. It's absolutely gorgeous. And I have pink curtains, so they are not pink colored. These are still ivory. It's just a little off-colored in here. Alright, and here is how I stuffed my invitations. I did not want to pay the extra money for an RSVP, so I designed and printed my own. And then I had heard of this really cool idea where you send everyone a recipe card that is blank, and when they send you the RSVP, they fill out the recipe and send it back to you, so you have a lot of recipes to try during your first year of marriage. And I also got a really cool Star Wars stamp as a tribute to my fiance, because he said that everything else in the invitation was super girly, so the RSVP envelope got to have a Star Wars stamp on it. And so I just tucked everything together neatly. And then you can click the top right corner to see how I sealed it with wax. And that was it. That's how I sent it out. So I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you later. Bye!